Welcome to Rum Profit's official channel. Today we're going to be looking at the boom and crash spike detector indicator for the MetaTrader 5 on Windows or Mac. So if you're synthetic indices trader and you do trade in the boom and crash markets and you wish to maximize your profits, I strongly suggest that you join our Telegram channel and join us as we trade live the boom and crash markets. And in order to make more from the boom and crash, you can purchase the Spike Detector Indicator for just $99 USD. All you have to do is to pick signals, the signal arrows that come from the software, and that's it. Full documentation when you make a purchase. So visit www.strongprofit.com to make a purchase today.